Meron tayo ditong question from the CE Board, November 1994. Medyo matagal na yung question na to, but I think relevant pa rin naman siya sa mga susunod na board exam ninyo. So this is a volume question, volume ng solids of revolution. So sasagutan ko to gamit ang Canon F789 SGA. Kaya kung wala ka pa nito, check out na sa ating yellow basket. Tara, pakalt natin yan. Pak! My name is Calculus B, your TikTok Calculus Baby. You can answer this problem in many ways. Pwedeng theorem of Pappus, pwedeng cylindrical shells, pwedeng by disk. Pero wala pa akong video sa disk. Kaya gagawin ko, a-answeran ko siya using the disk method. So ano ba itsura ng disk? No? So kapag yung solids of revolution mo, in-slice-slice mo yon, magkakaroon ka ng ganito. Disk yan. Okay. Something like this. Tapos ang tatandaan nyo lagi, yung axis of revolution ninyo. Okay? So, hahanapin mo lang yung volume ng isang yan. So, cylinder lang yan. So, let's say this is the height and this is the radius. So, ang volume ng isang disk natin is pi r squared h. Volume lang ng cylinder. Okay, so para mahanap natin yung volume nito, you have to sketch, kahit rough sketch lang. It doesn't have to be a beautiful graph para lang ma-imagine mo anong nangyayari. Sabi dito sa problem, given the area in the first quadrant bounded by x squared equal to 8y. This is a parabola kasi naka-square yung isa linear. And you can actually express this one as y equal to x squared over 8. So it's a parabola that opens upward, vertex at the origin. So, hindi natin kailangan yung kaliwang side, kanan lang kasi nasa first quadrant tayo. Yung line y minus 2 equal to 0, that is y equal to 2. Horizontal line yun na dumadaan sa y equal to 2. And then the y-axis, ito yon. So, ito yung region natin or yung area na ire-revolve natin. So, what is the volume generated when the area is revolved about y minus 2 equal to 0? So, ito rin ang axis of revolution niya. So, ang technique dito sa washer method or sa disk method is yung radius ng disk mo, nakita mo, radius ng disk mo, palagi siyang perpendicular sa axis of revolution. So, ito yung radius ng disk mo, tapos, yan, gagawin mo siyang ganyan. So, drawing ka lang ng disk. Okay? Hanapin mo muna yung volume niyan. Isang slice yan. So, maraming slices yan. So, ito yung tinatawag mo ng height. But in this case, ano yung height mo? Una mo nga hanapin yung height. No, kasi doon mo malalaman kung dx or dy ang integration mo. Kung papansin mo, small change in x. So, that is dx. Okay? So, ano naman yung magiging r natin dito? So, yung length nito, which is, anong length nito? 2, kasi y equal to 2, minus ito. Okay? So, sulat ko lang yung mga function natin. Y equal to x squared over 8. Ito naman, y equal to 2. So, yung magiging r natin in this case, it's basically 2 minus y. Tama. 2 minus y nito. Okay? Itong parabola. Pero, everything must be in terms of x kasi h mo is dx. So, 2 minus x squared over 8. So, plug in na natin dito. So, yung volume ng isang slice mo pa lang is pi 2 minus x squared over 8 raised to 2h. And then you have to integrate it para ma-add sila, no? Kasi summation ang ibig sabihin ng integral eh. So, i-integrate mo siya from here to here. Ano yung mga x values na nasakop niya? So, from 0, papalakarin mo yung disk mo eh. From here, pa ganun, hanggang ma-cover mo yung buong region mo. So, anong x value to? Intersection siya nitong line tsaka nung parabola. So, etong dalawa yon. So, equate lang natin yung dalawang y na yan. Nakaroon ka ng ganito. For x squared is 16. So, x is plus minus 4. So, dalawa, diba? Ito yung negative 4. Ito yung positive 4. Ang kukunin mo yung positive 4. Pag na-set up mo na, ito na yung exciting part kasi pwede mo na siyang isaksak sa calculator. Let's do that. Saksak natin sa calculator. Integral ng pi times 2 minus x squared over 8 raised to 2 dx from 0 to 4. At may iluluwa yung value. Ito, gawin nating decimal. So, the answer is 26.808 or 26.81. Letter D. Kung nagustuhan mo itong tutorial natin on volumes of solids of revolution, don't forget to check out ang ating Canon F789 SGA. And of course, don't forget to follow me here on TikTok.